Hey guys. So, you know how I said I was looking for a new car? Well, I got a new car. Um, that's my new car. So, yeah. I had work today, and we were pretty busy. And then, yeah, that's all I did today is look for cars and work. And then I came home and watched, uh, like an hour of TV, and then I'm making a video right now. Um, so yeah, and then tomorrow I don't have to work, and but I do have to go to Omaha and get my nephew, and then hang out with him and play video games. So, um, yeah. So yeah, and then either tomorrow or Saturday is when I get my new car after they get it fixed. The AC wasn't working, and then the windows weren't working. Like the motor was dead, so they had to fix that, and they fixed that for free. So one less thing though that I have to fix. So yeah, alrighty. I think that's gonna be it today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So good night, goodbye,